Suzuki unveils the 2026 GSX-8TT, a fusion of retro spirit and modern 2026. GSX-8TT performance. Suzuki has officially pulled the wraps off its highly anticipated 2026 GSX-8TT, a motorcycle that promises to blend timeless design cues with cutting-edge technology and a potent parallel twin engine. Arriving in dealerships in August 2025, the GSX-8TT, alongside its naked sibling the GSX-8T, marks Suzuki's strong return to the retro-modern segment, offering riders a unique combination of classic aesthetics and contemporary riding dynamics. This new addition to the GSX series is poised to carve out its own niche, appealing to both seasoned enthusiasts nostalgic for past Suzuki legends and newer riders seeking a distinctive, feature-rich middleweight machine. (2026 GSX-8TT MSRP). The 2026 Suzuki GSX-8TT enters the market with a competitive manufacturer's suggested retail price of $11,149. This pricing positions the GSX-8TT as an attractive option within the middleweight sport standard category, offering a compelling blend of style, performance, and modern features for its cost. The pricing reflects Suzuki's strategy to deliver value while stepping into the growing neo-retro market with a well-equipped and distinctively styled motorcycle. (2026 GSX-8TT engine). At the heart of the GSX-8TT lies Suzuki's latest generation 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, a liquid-cooled DOHC unit that also powers the acclaimed GSX-8S and GSX-8R. This compact and thoroughly modern engine utilizes a 270-degree firing order, providing a strong, torquey power delivery akin to a V-twin, along with a pleasing exhaust note. Enhanced by Suzuki's exclusive cross-balancer system, the engine delivers remarkably smooth operation across the rev range, ensuring a comfortable and engaging riding experience whether navigating city streets or cruising on open highways. (2026 GSX-8TT power). The 776 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine in the GSX-8TT is tuned to produce a peak power output of approximately 81.8 horsepower, 82.9 PS, at 8,500 RPM. This power figure ensures spirited performance, making the GSX-8TT a capable and exciting machine for a variety of riding scenarios, from brisk acceleration to confident overtakes. The carefully calibrated power delivery, combined with the engine's inherent characteristics, contributes to a responsive and rider-friendly feel that belies its middleweight classification. (2026 GSX-8TT torque). Complementing its strong power, the 2026 GSX-8TT generates a robust 78 Nm, 57.5 pound-foot of torque at 6,800 RPM. This generous torque output, available across a broad rev range, contributes significantly to the bike's real-world usability, offering excellent pulling power from low RPMs and reducing the need for constant gear changes. The strong mid-range punch makes the GSX-8TT feel more potent than its numbers might suggest, providing a satisfying and engaging ride in diverse conditions. (2026 GSX-8TT transmission). Power is efficiently transferred to the rear wheel via a smooth-shifting 6-speed constant mesh transmission. Further enhancing the riding experience, the GSX-8TT comes equipped with a bi-directional quick-shift system as standard, allowing for seamless up and down shifts without the need to operate the clutch lever once on the move. This system, coupled with the Suzuki Clutch Assist system, contributes to smoother gear changes and improved control, particularly during spirited riding or rapid deceleration. (2026 GSX-8TT seat height). The Suzuki GSX-8TT features a comfortable and accessible seat height of 810 mm or 31.9 inches. This height is designed to accommodate a wide range of riders, promoting a relaxed and upright riding posture that is conducive to both sport riding and extended journeys. The thoughtful ergonomics ensure good ground reach for most riders, enhancing confidence and control at stops and in slow-speed maneuvers. GSX-8TT weight. With a wet weight of 203 kilograms, the 2026 Suzuki GSX-8TT maintains a commendable balance between substantial feel and agile handling. This weight, combined with its well-balanced chassis, contributes to the bike's stability at speed and its responsiveness through corners. The lightweight aluminum swing arm further aids in keeping the overall mass optimized, ensuring a dynamic and enjoyable ride. GSX-8TT fuel capacity. The GSX-8TT is equipped with a generously sized fuel tank boasting a capacity of 16.5 liters. This larger fuel capacity, compared to some other models sharing the same platform, is a welcome addition for a motorcycle designed with sport touring versatility in mind, offering an extended range between fill-ups and making longer rides more convenient. GSX-8TT features. The 2026 GSX-8TT is packed with a suite of modern features, highlighted by the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System. This comprehensive electronic rider aid package includes the Suzuki Drive Mode Selector, SDMS, with 3 distinct riding modes, a 4-mode advanced traction control system, plus OFF, a ride-by-wire electronic throttle, and the aforementioned bi-directional quick-shift system. Additional conveniences include ABS for enhanced braking stability, the Suzuki Easy Start system, low RPM assist, a full-color 5-inch TFT LCD instrument panel, bar-end mirrors, and a USB-C charging socket. GSX-8TT chassis and suspension. The GSX-8TT is built around a robust tubular steel frame, providing a stable and agile foundation for its performance. Suspension duties are handled by high-quality KYB components, featuring inverted front forks that deliver a smooth and controlled ride. At the rear, an adjustable KYB link-type monoshock ensures excellent damping and contributes to the bike's agile and predictable handling characteristics. Braking power is confident and consistent, with dual radial mount Nissin four-piston calipers gripping 310mm discs at the front and a single disc at the rear, all supported by an ABS system for added safety. GSX-8TT design. The design of the 2026 Suzuki GSX-8TT is a key differentiator, embodying the retro spirit, next-generation performance concept. It features a distinctive mono-round LED headlight inspired by Suzuki motorcycles of the 1960s and 70s, which is further accentuated by a factory-designed headlight cowl and undercowl, giving it a vintage road racer aesthetic reminiscent of the iconic GS1000S. The bike's overall silhouette, with its uniquely shaped 16.5-liter fuel tank and sportier stitched upholstery on the seat, strikes a compelling balance between classic charm and modern aggression, offering a visual appeal that stands out in today's crowded motorcycle landscape.